What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant with the Crypto Fix, presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. The Crypto Fix is back with all your crypto news. So much happened while I was gone, from Sam Bankman-Fried going to jail and going to make a lot of guys happy in prison. He better learn how to fight, cook, or join a gang just to survive. Before we begin, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to get updates when we drop new videos. Let's jump right into it. In our first story, according to Cointelegraph.com, the SEC is still looking for evidence that Binance US had a backdoor to potentially control customers' assets in a similar style of FTX. November 27th report by the Wall Street Journal. In June, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Binance and Binance US, alleging that the exchange was involved in the sale of unregistered securities, accusing Binance and his founder, Changpeng Zhao, CZ, of participating in a complex conspiracy that involved fraud, conflicts of interest, a lack of disclosure, and disregard for the law. One of the allegations was the exchange diverted customs assets at their discretion, including sending money to the Switzerland-based Sigma chain under Zhao's control. These are my thoughts on it. My views doesn't reflect on btminers, and this is just my views. Binance knew the SEC was coming for them, and he just gave them the ammo to load the gun. After FTX, all these crypto platforms are on the radar, and Coinbase is pretty much the last one standing. If Coinbase even caught the wrong way, the SEC would be down there next. The price of Bitcoin did not drop after the news of Binance. That's a plus. Put your tinfoil hat on for me, people. Do you see the US getting rid of all these platforms so they can roll out their own platforms when they are ready for crypto? Let me know in the comment section. In that next story, Casper is on the rise. In the last 180 days, Casper went from 0.01911 to 12 cents. If you're buying and mining Casper, this altcoin is showing some promise in the market. We have videos of us mining Casper for 5 to 7 days, and it was profitable. This is not financial advice. Before you buy or mine any cryptocurrency, we recommend that you do your research. We cannot wait for the new heights Casper reached in 2024. In our last story, according to CNBC.com, the crypto industry finally closed the chapter on the latency and scandals and problems after Binance was hit with a historic settlement of the U.S. Department of Justice. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said Monday, the enforcement action against Binance that's allowing us to kind of turn the page and hopefully close the chapter of history. Armstrong said in an interview with CNBC, I'm gonna butcher this name, Jomana Burchechi. Yeah, I definitely butchered that name. There are many crypto companies that are help building the crypto economy, change our financial system globally, but many of them are still small startups. I think the regulators' clarity is going to help bring in more investment, especially for institutions he added. My thoughts on Coinbase. Coinbase is the only major player in town now. If you're buying, selling, trading, and mining crypto, everything goes to that wallet. I believe the CEO need to be careful with what he says out here. They'll watch him very close. Any move he make, if they don't like, he's gonna go down just as fast as Binance US. Always remember, if they really want you, they'll have a list of things to get you on. Tell me what you think in the comment section. In BT Miner news, make sure you download the app. Available on Google Play Store and the App Store. We added more new features as well. We are taking crypto mining to the next level. This is your man Ant with the Crypto Fix presented by btminers, your place for everything crypto. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy mining.